Oh my gosh! Why does it smell so bad? It smells like a funeral home. Hey, what's wrong?
I saw you in the window squirt something.
What does that mean?
What is that smell?
It's Elon Musk's perfume and it's called burnt hair.
What does it smell like? A little bit like burnt hair, but it's not. I mean, I don't like it.
Did you lock the door? We have everything? Are you sure? Is your seatbelt on? Is it 8 o'clock? I had a shoe-in. There's not many things in life that I would say are a shoe-in. I've thought I've had a shoe-in a lot of times, let me tell you folks. I thought I was there at home base many a times and somehow the ball makes it there and I strike out. I had a shoe-in a day before we left. Typical Sydney fashion. Yeah, we're unable to actually hang out for that long. It's first a week, then it's 5 days, now it's 3 days. So we can't go into the shoe-in, we can't go to Canada. We're gonna have to stay. All right, now that we're on the road, I got some serious talk to talk to you about.
Last night we went fishing. Alex got hooked into a muskie. Happened right at dark. I don't think he was expecting it.
I got one.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Get the net, get the net. Oh, I lost.
Oh my. No.
Idiot.
Alex.
Choke of the century, bud. Choke of the century. We just had the first fish of the night come up and whack me. I was messing around with my screen trying to fix it. I was trying to get my light to go down a little bit because it was just too bright. And I whiffed. Man, I'm shaking. Oh.
I was like dancing around and I
was waiting for you to get the net.
I ran.
It hit it in the 8.
It hit it on the 8? The hook set wasn't so like a Sydney Wells first ever muskie hitting the hook kind of hook set.
Did I give you anxiety doing 25 over at all?
No, to be honest. It gave me anxiety that I felt like you had no idea where you were going.
See, that's the thing about me, Sydney, is I really don't know where I'm going. Every morning I wake up and I really don't know where I'm going, but I wake up and I end up somewhere with some very short shorts on. What's up, Screenager?
What's going on?
Okay, you know, it's not really, you know this, you don't want to ever talk about politics or anything. It's kind of a weird thing going on with, you know, inflation. You've just been living rent-free in my mind for too long, and I want to see if I can collect.
You're an idiot.
Someone pick this woman up right now. She is the definition of disgusting, abomination to society, and just should not belong in this car. Hi, could I have a grande brown sugar shaken espresso with 1 pump of caramel cream, 2 birthday cake pops, and then a 1 pinky drinky?
What size?
What size? They said there's a size. What size?
So we're not going to pinky
Actually, cancel that. She was just getting me to say that because she's 4 years old. She's thinking of pinky drinky. So, Alex, did you lose your man card today or a long time ago? Oh, I lost it a long time ago, guys. I've just been searching for it. Also, while we were sitting there ordering, she picks a scab off her body and throws it at me. Like, who does that? Who does that? Seriously, who does that? Yeah.
Oh, here, I got it.
The sugar mama is back. You want a straw?
Yes.
Yeah, she'd like to kill turtles.
Ooh.
Yep, thanks.
Hot.
So why do you hang out with me? Because we obviously don't catch fish.
Really good.
I'm allowed to spit at you now at some point throughout the day. Like, I'm just gonna spit on you, okay? And you're not gonna know when it's gonna come. I'm gonna just hug a loogie right at your face.
Corn looks good over here.
Yep, looks like you.
Tall.
No, good looking. Thank God she's gone now. Jesus, that was brutal. When is this gonna end? Just like usual, I'm taking over this video. I can rile up some comments.
71 degrees out.
because I'm gonna be in the kayak while you're struggling on a paddleboard that's... That's what the muskie's gonna do when it sees your blopper blopper. Just gonna suck right onto that.
I'm gonna feel it out first. You ready? Close your eye.
Don't hit me in the face with that.
I don't want to. You're ruining the fun.
Ow!
Put your arm down.
Ow! I'm gonna... Oh.
Did I get you? Dang it, that was a good one.
We're 1 minute away. Yay!
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 Look at the water just dripping.
There's nobody at the ramp either. Oh my gosh. Oh!
We're gonna be on you may be on a paddle boat on that? We should have brought 2 kayaks. Alright.
Should we go back?
Shut up. The last time you guys are gonna see us alive.
I know that you kind of struggle with swimming, so I got you this. That'll be the shot.
Alright. At least I got a snack in case that's almost gone. They're all pinks.
Is that what you bought?
Yeah.
That's the best flavor.
I know. I actually wanted one.
Not hungry. I got one thing on my mind. Hooking a muskie in the face.
Alright. Beep beep. Here we go. Are we gonna make it? I don't know, but stay tuned. I'm gonna be on a paddleboard. Whose idea is that? Alex's. It's literally gonna rain on us. Alex, I'm going fast back here. Oh my gosh.
Just don't fall off onto a rock.
I plan on not trying to do that. I feel like back there in that little cove is gonna be good. Oh no. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Do you need a big one?
Yeah, get to that big rock.
Alex? Should I reel myself into you? Alex! This is not a good idea! Alex, this is not a good idea!
Keep going down.
Alex, this is like we're whitewater rafting. Alex! How deep is this? Alex, I'm going fast. I'm holding on tight. Oh my gosh, I can't go down that hill. I'm scared. Okay. That was scary. Not gonna lie. That was a little scary.
Yeah. Oh, got one. Oh my gosh. You see that?
Yes, watch.
That was a muskie.
He missed me completely. Okay, I'm gonna go back in there. Wait, hold on, he might be following. Okay, ready? Watch it, Alex. Nope, but I did that just in case. Could have been any other thing.
A little bit more to the right where that rushing water is. Money. Real. Rod left. Stop it. Slower. Pop it, something's grass. Yes. Eat it. All right, guys, we're under the shade of the tree. We had our first bite happen real quick. Well, make that 1% count. You want it to hit the fast water and then bring it right next to that weed clump. Let it go down, yep. One more cast.
Here, do you want this guy?
Yeah.
That's how it goes bad. Whoops. I'm gonna break it. Oh wait, someone just jumped behind us. Hey, Alex, right behind us where that muskie was, somebody just came out On top of the water. Cause I would have been him. Huh? Right in this little.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up.
Not good, Alex. Not good. Not yet. Probably gonna need you to come behind me. Grab this. Come closer to me. Ooh.
Just hold up, hold that.
Okay, there we go.
You see though how deep it is right there?
Yeah.
They just sit in any sort of little eddy.
Can I go ahead and cast?
Yeah. Focus on that side.
Oh!
Fish?
Yes.
No way.
Little fish though. It was little. I don't even know if it, honestly I don't even think it, I think it was a bass. Oh, this looks good in here. Oh, Alex, maybe. I can't tell, it's like, it's not like a wake though. What will they do, like try to go bite and then run back to their pocket?
I'm gonna start getting us some power here.
I feel like I should get closer to you again.
Okay, yep, you should hold on to the back of mine.
Okay, hold on. Watch your rod. Last thing I need is a broken rod. I'm scared. Sit on my butt?
Sit on your butt, yep, sit on your butt. You want me to take it out?
Yeah. Oh gosh. We're getting our...
I'm in a good position.
Where's down backwards? Alex? 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 Alex, I'm going overboard. Alex, I'm going overboard. Alex! Alex, I'm scared. Alex, we're going. Alex, 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 we're going towards the bank. Alex, we're going towards the bank.
Just race for it. Race for it.
My weapon. Alex.
Where's your bait? Where's your bait?
My bait!
Okay.
Alex, we need our side. Hold on to me.
Okay.
Hold on to me, I'm going too fast!
Wait for him back.
Alex, you better hold on to me. Oh. We're stuck.
That's the money spot.
I'm gonna pee my pants. That was a big scare. What happens when I catch one? How are we getting back? Don't let go of me. Okay. You hold this, okay? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alex!
I'm gonna need you down there.
No, you're not!
You're going with the wing. Okay.
Alex? No! Alex! No! Don't let the rig go! I'm gonna keep going! Alex, you have to get in! Alex! I don't even have an oar! Alex! No! Not the fishing pools! I can't even get the oar! Oh my gosh. It's a catastrophe. No! I gotta get the oar? My gosh.
This is one of the best spots. There's 100% muskie sitting over there. We just have to trick him to bite. It just got really hot out.
It got really hot.
It got really hot.
Back we go. Can we get closer to you? To me help paddle? Ah! I almost went overboard. Huh? Okay. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Try to reel me back in. There you go.
Same thing as that one, like swipe it left and right in that pool. Lots of fun.
It's getting a little crazy. Are we about to get hit with a storm?
No. About to catch a muskie.
Okay.
You gotta cover some water.
With what?
With the cloud cover.
Why, that's good for us?
That's really good for us. This thing sucks, eh?
Uh-huh.
Where's your confidence?
What do you mean?
How are you feeling? Any cast and get a bite?
Nothing screams musky to me.
You feel like your first fish was a muskie?
Yeah. Let's go to the other side where there's more grass. Ooh, I'm gonna cast for that sunken log. It's clear back here. Oh gosh, another rapid. Oh gosh.
Yeah, I don't like me facing backwards.
Oh my gosh.
How's it look? Okay.
Oh,
What was that?
I just got on your line.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! He just abandoned me! Where are we at? Oh. Okay. Oh gosh. This is so. The Yeti! The Yeti! The Yeti! Alex, the Yeti! Alex, the Yeti's gonna fall off! Yeti! Oh. The Yeti. It's gonna fall off.
Can you re-bungee it for me?
Yeah, where is the bungee? Why is it not on there? Oh gosh. We're about to hit those rocks. Stop moving. I have no idea how we're gonna get back. There's no way in hell. We're gonna have to find our way out of the woods and find a local road. Oh my gosh, there's a rod in the water. Rod in the water, kayak's going. Kayak's going, rod in the water.
I can't believe we haven't flipped it.
That Yeti almost was overboard. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My flip-flop's gone. How are we gonna get home?
Do not lose this.
What the? Why is it not in your pocket?
Okay, this right here is one of the best spots. No! No!
Right there! Let's go, Dad! Then I got caught on a rock! Alex, I might. Look at the starburst. Underwater? Well, I knew we were gonna die. I knew we were screwed.
I think those are gone.
What are we gonna do in the kayak?
Let's not even worry about that. Oh my gosh! Those are gone.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Give it to me.
Fish right here.
Put your key in the Yeti. Here's your, oh no, the kayak, it's gone. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Just stay there. Just stay here.
Alex, our need for transportation.
I don't want to do that spot.
This reminds me of the movie Without a Paddle.
Okay, right here, kid.
Okay. Should I let it drift a little bit? Alex? Alex, I'm stuck. Oh my gosh, what could get worse?
Alright, I got an idea.
Okay. Well, great, I'm stuck.
Okay. You're gonna have to
No, do not do that, there's rocks. That's a dead, oh my gosh.
What's going on?
Intermission, BRB.
Alright,
I don't want to step on that.
I got you. Bring your eyes.
Shoot. Alex, you hold on to me. You're not gonna be able to catch me. Oh my God. Oh gosh. shoes suck. Ouch. Okay. Well, definitely gonna be coming home with some poison ivy. I better catch a muskie because of it. How in the hell? I'm taking my shoes off because these suckers are slippery. Here. And is in the water all the way. I'm scared for the Yeti. That's all I gotta say. Kidding me right now? Let me see it right now. Alex, did that just happen?
Yep. It's crazy. You'll never believe it. I was going down and I was dangling my foot and a muskie came up and just grabbed me. It was insane. I can't believe you haven't got bit over here.
Alex.
You're gonna have to pour some alcohol in this cup when I get back. All right. Hopefully we make it back. I'm gonna have to start my process of figuring out how to get us back. Can you still cast right now?
Yeah, you want me to?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is my favorite pool. I've caught more fish here than any other pool, which means I've caught 3 fish here. And actually, I've only caught 1. Chris caught 2. All right along this grass edge. Mayfly hatch.
All right, now what? Should I go back to where I thought I got hit?
Yeah, go back.
Oh my gosh.
What?
You have welts everywhere. Do you have a shirt? Put a shirt on. I can't wait to show you what you look like. Let's move. We're running out of time. Oh! Oh!
Oh my God, come on.
Oh! I just kept reeling. That's all I did. Don't move. Don't move. Ready? You missed it again. He hit it. I couldn't really see because you were in the way, but I felt it. All I did was kept reeling. Watch your leg. That was a nice one. Whoa, Alex. Jeez. Be careful. Right there. He came from the side. He tried to hit it twice. Come on, baby. Hit the damn thing. All right there.
Try a couple on that eddy there.
All right, we should keep going, huh? Wait, what am I on? I'm on something. Paddle. Oh, I'm on this big ass rock. I feel like the best way to go is gonna be us going like that way. What do you think? Well, update. We lost the paddle. I don't know where Alex went. He's probably swimming for the paddle. We're trying to get back to the truck, fish from the boat, but it's not going as planned. I asked Alex just a couple things before we went. I said, do you think I should bring my water shoes? He said no. And I said, I don't think this is a good idea. And he said, it's a good idea. Not a good idea. We need to get back. We need to get back.
Okay, let go.
Alex, Watch the rope. Oh my gosh. Do muskie like to bite in the rain?
All right. I'm gonna take one for the team here. I'm gonna try and swim across.
You're gonna try to swim across.
One just blew up right there.
Did they?
Yeah, reel it in, reel it in.
Well, better be careful just in case there's this one over here.
Oh, he tried to eat it. He tried to eat it. Oh my god. Did you see that?
Yes, 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 yes.
Better catch. Up there, up there.
How's he looking?
We do that catch. That was the biggest one of the day.
Is that good?
He's got it!
Ooh! He didn't get hooks. Damn, you think he's gonna hit it again? No?
But you can keep trying.
It's like he was trying to suck it. It wasn't like a...
Yeah, but sometimes they do that.
One more cast and I'm ready.
I'll be the judge of that. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. No, it's actually really good. I'm impressed with you. I'm impressed with this penetration on these arrows. So what's the plan? How many muskies you caught?
0.
Is it
Surprised?
is it your guide's fault?
The guide, for sure.
The guide.
He's always like, guarantee. Sounds like my dad whenever we go hunting. Guarantee spot. And I'm like, okay, so we're not going to see anything here tonight.
But I'd convince you to stay again. Or maybe Danielle convinced you.
Yeah, a little bit of it. I think I'm going to try to stay. Shoot my bow, get us sighted in. It's mid-August. Mule deer season's going to open up September 1 in Alberta, so I want to get dialed in all the way back to probably 80 yards. 20, we're good. That's just like the start of it, though. We just used some measuring tape to get our yardages down. Redneck way.
Hey guys, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're fishing one of the, I don't know, this spot is very secretive. I've never seen a boat in this spot. Somebody posted on Lake Link, and now everybody's on the money spot. It's August. It's time to catch muskies. We've got beautiful water temperature, 77 degrees.
We've had one follow.
We did have a follow.
Right here. Get ready. Get ready.
Keep going. Just go. Aim the turn. Slow on the turn. Slow and fast. Premature on the bat. Dang it. When he's hot on the bait, Sid's throwing a nice modified bucktail by Lee Lures, and I'm throwing those, I like to call it the flapjack, but it's actually called the flaptail. Haven't rose anything yet. As the night sets in, I think we're gonna have some action, and we need these skiers to get off the lake because they just keep doing circles around us in
Very bizarre, to be honest.
an 8 foot of water weed flat. They like to just stay right here. They've got 30 feet of crystal clear water that way, but they like the weed flat. We're gonna entertain that. Maybe the muskies will show up, and we're after one fish, isn't that right?
One fish, that's all it takes, especially with muskie fishing. I just want to see one get out of the water and into the boat. I have yet to see one. Alex asked me earlier, I said, how big do you think that muskie was? I'm like, I have no idea. I thought it was, I don't know, I was just guessing. I've only seen them in the water. I've never seen them out of the boat. I just want to see somebody catch it. Somebody.
Don't lie, you want to catch
No,
it.
we want Sydney to catch it.
I would love to catch it, yeah. But I would also love to see a muskie be brought into the boat for the first time ever. We've been fishing very hard.
Well, got the Traeger smoking. It's officially prime time. It is 8 o'clock. Said, are you gonna give it all the way till 9:30 tonight?
Yes.
10?
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Okay, 2 full hours of fishing into the dark. Muskies, they love this. We just want to see one. One little guy or one big guy. Yeah, I guess we don't want to see one. We want to put hooks into her face and get her into the net.
Oh, smell it. Going!
What happened?
Alex,
Sydney?
I don't even know what I did. I don't even know what I did wrong there.
I thought you had it hooked. You
No.
definitely had hooks on him.
No, this is what he did. He came in it that way. He came in it that way! Because I literally didn't see me. He went this way and I went,
I didn't see
ugh!
anything. I turned around and grabbed the
I
net.
saw the fish.
Fuck, did you see me set the hook the opposite way?
In the
Alex,
camera, but
Alex, watch this video. I'm shaking.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Alex, watch.
There's never been this many opportunities on fish. Just
I did!
harder. You set the hook the right way.
I know!
You cross-faced.
I know! I'm not even kidding. I don't think I got hooks in him though. He came at it that way.
You could see him go like this. He had hooks in him. It was a good fish.
What do I do? How did it what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong there? Snagged right into it and I'm so mad.
you know what happened? Your netter didn't bring the net quick enough.
Yeah, that's
What it is. It's always Peric's fault.
I've had so many opportunities. So that was the second time. Okay, I've had a lot of opportunities to my figure eight. I perfected the figure eight in my mind. I came around the loop. He came in out of nowhere, out of the depths. Ate my bait. I gave him a second. Didn't freak out. I didn't pull. I literally set the hook, opposite end, tail end, and what the heck? What the heck? I don't even know.
You gotta keep casting.
I'm so.
You check the hook. Got sharp hooks on there? I did not. Got him? It's so thick. 4-footer? Oh yeah. Giant. Giant. Alright, picture time. I let her go. Thanks, big girl. I appreciate you. I appreciate you more than you can imagine. So thick. Whoop! Smack that. Nice net, brother, man.
Scared me for a second when I felt it get caught on the cleat when I was trying to scoop it. So I hope you can bring it more this way because I can't throw much more in that direction.